Yeah, I've got something in sight.
2146. Bearing east 87. Elevation 21. Range 1.1. Start up. GPS lost. Rogue. Max speed. Minus 165 feet per second. Height 1913. Bearing southeast 100.
Yeah, I'm getting it.
Elevation 86.
On the sustainer.
0.4.
What's it saying?
It's coming down.
Height 361. Bearing east 101. Elevation 43. Range 529. Height 361. Bearing east 101. Elevation 43.
Let's switch
range
back over to
529.
the
Height 361. Bearing east 101. Elevation 43. Range 529. Rocket may have crashed. Bearing 101 degrees. Range 386 feet.
I'm getting nothing on channel 9 anymore.
Bearing east 101. Elevation 43. Range 529. Rocket may have crashed.